let's face it, when you decide to do something in your home or you're a business and you need to get a product and a project done for somebody right away, you want to know that there's stock. With the laminate wall panels through Innovate Building Solutions, we have them in stock and ready to go. There are literally thousands between here and the rest of this warehouse, literally thousands of showers that are in here in 29 different patterns that are all available for ready to shipment, not only including the wall panels, but also the trim profiles, the sealant, everything you need to do that project. And they will be packaged and crated up. Usually they're shipping within a week. Most people do get them and receive them within 2 weeks, whether that's a homeowner for a DIY project or one of our dealers, of bathroom remodeling dealers. If you do want more information on what panels are available, you can go to innovatewallpanels.com or give us a call at 877-668-5888.